Poor welds, cracks, or just bad fusion getting you down? If your welding project depends on strong, reliable joints, but your rods keep spitting slag, peeling out, or simply don't hold up, you're fighting the wrong tool. The right welding rod isn't just filler, it's the backbone of your weld quality. It matches your material, amperage, and position, so you get clean beads, deep fusion, and long-lasting strength. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 welding rods and how to pick the correct type for everything from repair work to structural welding. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Blue Demon Steel Electrode, a solid choice for general-purpose welding that delivers great results on mild steel. These low-hydrogen electrodes are designed for AC or DC welding, offering strong arc stability and easy slag removal, perfect for projects where you need reliable penetration without excess spatter. The smooth bead appearance is great for structural work, fabrication, or repairs, and its consistency makes it beginner-friendly too. What welders love most is that Blue Demon rods start easily, even on older machines, and maintain a steady arc throughout. They produce clean welds with minimal porosity, making them ideal for maintenance jobs or farm equipment repairs. Affordable, versatile, and dependable, the Blue Demon Steel Electrode is a great rod to keep in your shop for those all-around welding tasks that need solid strength and control. Coming in at number 4, the Forney E6013 welding rod is one of the most user-friendly and forgiving options out there, perfect for both beginners and seasoned welders. Designed for light to medium penetration, it produces smooth, clean welds with minimal splatter, making it ideal for sheet metal, auto body work, and thin steel fabrication. The easy slag removal and soft arc make welding less stressful and more controlled, even if you're new to stick welding. It works great with both AC and DC currents and doesn't require a high-end machine to perform well. Welders appreciate how predictable the Forney 6013 is. It's easy to strike, stays lit, and leaves a nice flat bead. If you're learning the ropes or tackling small home projects where precision matters more than depth, the Forney E6013 is your go-to. It's the definition of smooth, steady, and beginner-friendly performance. At number 3, we've got the YESWELDER Welding Rod, a premium-grade E7018 electrode known for its high tensile strength and deep penetration. These rods are ideal for structural steel, heavy fabrication, and repair work that demands strong, durable joints. They feature a low hydrogen coating, reducing the risk of cracking and ensuring clean welds even in demanding conditions. The easy arc start and smooth flow make it a favorite among pros who want consistent results without arc instability. YESWELDER's rods work on both AC and DC, giving them excellent versatility whether you're working in the shop or outdoors. Users love the minimal spatter, clean slag peel, and glossy bead finish, which makes post-weld cleanup quick and satisfying. If you're welding frames, machinery, or pressure equipment, the YESWELDER 7018 delivers the power and precision you can count on for serious results every time. Taking the runner-up spot is the Hobart 770-478-7018 stick rod, one of the most respected names in the welding world. Hobart has built a reputation for consistency, and this rod lives up to it. Designed for high-strength, low-alloy steel, it delivers excellent arc stability, low spatter, and a strong, ductile weld that resists cracking. These rods are ideal for structural welding, heavy machinery, and repair jobs that require deep penetration and reliability under stress. The 7018 coating helps prevent hydrogen-induced cracking, ensuring your welds remain strong even in variable environments. It runs beautifully on both AC and DC+, making it versatile for different setups. What welders really love is how clean the bead looks with almost effortless slag removal. And taking the top spot at number 1, the ARCCAPTAIN 7018 welding rod. The perfect balance of power, consistency, and performance. This rod is engineered for maximum tensile strength, making it ideal for heavy-duty welding tasks like structural steel, pipelines, and machinery repair. The low hydrogen content ensures excellent crack resistance, even when working with thicker or stressed metals. It delivers smooth arc starts, steady flow, and a clean bead, with slag that lifts off easily for a professional-looking finish. The precision manufacturing ensures consistent diameter and coating, giving you predictable results with every weld. Whether you're a hobbyist working in your garage or a pro fabricator handling critical welds, ARCCAPTAIN rods perform flawlessly on both AC and DC+. They're dependable, efficient, and deliver that crisp, uniform finish that separates good welds from great ones.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!